Hey everyone, hello again, and in this video I'm going to do a quick follow-up to last week's video, which was the 2 buckets method. And in this one I'm going to be showing you a different wash method, which for me is quicker, it's cheaper and it's safer. So it kind of hits like 3 main categories for me. And I'm going to kind of show you why I'm moving away from the 2 buckets method now, my normal washes, and adopting this new one for myself. Firstly though, before getting to the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's supported the channel, subscribed over the last few weeks and few months, and even those subscribers in particular have been with me from the very beginning. I've just hit 5,000, which is fantastic, so thank you so much. It really makes making these videos absolutely worth it. And now into the video. The 2 bucket method is the kind of default accepted detailer method nowadays, the standard that people use. It's, you know, that step above the single buckets with a sponge. So you're going to have 2 buckets, you're going to have your grit guards, microfiber wash mitt. You may even go further, you may use washboards to scrub the wash mitt against. You may even use a wheel bucket. The trouble is, you've seen the problem as I'm going on about this now. It's a lot of equipment just to put water onto your car. You may even be using wheel dollies to transport these heavy buckets around. These detailing buckets take about 20 litres of water. Now that's quite a lot of water to hit the car, even just with 1 bucket. Now if I ask you the question, how much water is left in these buckets when you've finished washing your car? My guess is most of it. In my eyes, what this water is doing, the volume of water, is just diluting the ratio of grit to the volume of water itself, to risk getting any on the wash mitt. So really, if we could use less water and not have to lug up to 60 litres around of us, that would be fantastic. Obviously, I'm guessing you're using a lot of products as well. So if you're using, you know, a pre-wash, I'm guessing you'll be using a snow foam if you're using the 2 bucket methods to clean the car. So you got your snow foam, you got your shampoo, and possibly you got your wheel soap as well. That's a lot of products. All I'm using in this one is the snow foam cannon and my pressure washer. So this, first off, to save me money, means if I'm not using wheel soaps, I'm not using car shampoo, I can invest in buying 5 litre quantities of snow foam, which is going to bring the cost per application down anyway. And first off, I'm just going to hit the car like normal, hit it with a pressure washer, hit it with the snow foam, rinse it off, and now it's onto the wash of the car. And when I wash this car, I'm going to hit one panel, let's say the roof or the bonnet, with the snow foam cannon. I'm not going to do the entire car, just one panel. I'm also going to take a microfiber wash mitt, hit that wash mitt with some snow foam, and I'm going to go back and forth across the paintwork. Now, I know some people are going to go, hold on a second there, you're meant to use shampoo to clean the paint. Snow foam's not designed for this. I hear what you're saying. The thing is, let's look at what a good car shampoo does. Now, a good car shampoo doesn't really clean any dirt off the car. Really loose contaminants, it will get off, but it's pH neutral, it's very, very gentle. It just doesn't eat through dirt. You can put pure car shampoo on a dirty panel, let it sit there for 10 minutes, the panel will still be dirty. If that's the case, what's a good car shampoo doing? Well, a good car shampoo really is, to my eyes, providing lubrication through slipping agents and through foam to let the wash mitt glide over the paintwork rather than drag. In those respects, snow foam is superior. There's so much more foam on our snow foam cannon because of the pressure washer. The shampoo can't touch how much lubrication snow foam can provide on the paintwork. Snow foam is designed to soften dirt as much as possible. It's no better at really removing dirt than shampoo is, only through the advantages that it can sit on the dirt for prolonged periods where shampoo can't, it's just going to run off. So if I take this wash mitt now on the snow foam's panel, you're going to feel so much more lubrication. It's a bit like Larry Casella said at Ammo NYC. I don't know if anyone watches this channel. One of the most knowledgeable guys I've seen, really understands the chemistry in car detailing. His new product, Frothy, which was kind of a little foam sprayer thing. Coincidence it was released at the same time as this video, but he said it's kind of like shaving foam on your face. You know, you feel how much reduced friction there is, but still gets the job done. That's kind of the idea behind this as well. So anyway, taking it across the surface, you're going to feel how much more lubrication there is, how much thicker it is. And whilst I'm doing one side of the panel, the other side of the panel is still soaking, it's getting softer, it's going to be easier to remove. Obviously your wash mitt's going to get dirty. I'm just going to flip over to the other side, hit it with some more snow foam to get as lubed as possible. I've got a clean surface exposed, go and do the other side of the panel. Now of course you're going to ask, you've just done the panel, you've got no buckets, how are you going to wash the wash mitt? Some people will use a pressure washer, I'm not going to. I'm going to be using a second clean microfiber wash mitt. In fact, I'm using 6 wash mitts in this wash, which I know sounds excessive. But bear in mind, these cost £2 from my local supermarkets. They are Simonized ones, and they're really soft actually. I've got no qualms at all about using this on the paintwork of the car. I feel like it's completely safe. Bought 6 of them for £12. I've got 12 clean surfaces, basically, if I flip them over. And my detailing bucket of 1 grit guards cost £15. So do the math there. Ask you a second question. How many times do you dunk your wash mitt into your bucket when you're doing the 2 bucket method? My guess is about 12 times. If that's the case, I've got 12 clean surfaces, so I can eliminate dunking them into the bucket. So I've got plenty of clean surfaces for the car. If you want more, buy more wash mitts. Simple as. So the beauty of this, apart from being quicker and cheaper because I'm not lugging everything around, filling the buckets up, is cross-contamination is completely reduced, or not reduced, completely eliminated even on the car. So you've got this 2 bucket method, you're cleaning the panel of the car, you're doing your best you can to eliminate cross-contamination. That's the idea of the method after all. And you dunk it back into your rinse bucket, you rinse it out, you stick it back into your wash bucket, you scrub it against the washboard and all that. You can't guarantee every single fleck of grit and dirt is out of that wash mitt. You can see when you pull the grit guard out of the wash bucket when you finish, there's grit there. There's cross-contamination in that bucket. It's just vastly reduced over the single bucket method. But I'm using if I'm using clean microfiber wash mitts on each panel, cross-contamination cannot exist. So to me, that's an advantage of using like a really, if safety is your primary concern. To be honest, it's not my primary concern. Safety-wise, 2 bucket methods, completely safe for me. It's just overkill in terms of water and product. But yeah, as it's finished now, obviously we'll just blast the car off after going through all the panels using this method, and then I'm going to dry the car as normal. And I found when I cleaned the car this time using these methods, the car is actually cleaner than I've ever seen it. It feels so much smoother on the paintwork. Yeah, and I just feel like it's really safe when I'm using it. But I'll let you make your own minds up. Do you got anything to add to this conversation? Please leave in the comments below. Like this channel, check me out on Instagram at TalkStayUK, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future, guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Take care.